Now, let me show you how you can synchronize the notes of your Mac computer with the notes on your iPhone. So, first of all, when you go to the settings on both devices, you want to make sure that you are using the very same Apple account, that you are signed in with the same Apple ID, and that like both devices belong to you, right? Because if I pull up the iPhone in here real quick, you're going to find out that I am actually using the same account, right? So once I go to the settings of my iPhone, in there, you're going to notice that this is actually the same account. And what I have to do on both devices essentially is that when I go to the iCloud on a Mac and go to the notes in here, you can see that syncing is enabled on the Mac. So it will automatically sync your notes to iCloud. So you'll be able to see, edit, share, and so on, right? And we want to do the same thing on the iPhone, right? So on the iPhone's settings, we click on the profile at the top and proceed to iCloud in here, and as well click on the notes. So you can see the iPhone is synced, and as well you can see that we have 91 items in here on both devices. So everything is syncing very nicely. So the notes which I create on Mac appear on iPhone and vice versa. So just want to make sure that this is enabled, make sure that sync this iPhone as well as sync this Mac is turned on. Of course, as you can see, we also have the storage breakdown at the top, which for me says that it's almost full. And once I run out of the 5 gigabytes of storage, I can either upgrade, but I'm risking the fact that my notes might not end up syncing anymore since I don't have storage, right? So you can free up the storage in other places as well, like you can delete the messages or email or I don't know what else, or obviously you can upgrade. But that is going to be about it from me. I hope that I was able to explain it. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in future uploads.